Okay, so today I thought what we should do is no games on Scratch today. Let's build something useful. Let's build something with a bit of a purpose. So we're going to get Scratch to tell us the day, because I know keeping track of the days has been pretty challenging. So that's what we're going to get it to do. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set an event. So I want it to tell me the date when I press the space key. So I'm going to grab when the space key is pressed. Then if we go into sensing, you can see down at the bottom of sensing we've got some blocks here. We've got current, and if I pull that out you can see I can have current, year, month, date. I've also got day of the week, hour, minute and second. The ones I'm going to use today are the year, month and date. So I'm going to get 3 of these. I'm going to get one for the year, one for the month and one for the date. Now we do the date first, then the month and then the year. So that would be our order, but now we need to make Scratch say it. So we're going to go to the looks block. I'm going to get a say block. So I'm going to get say. Okay, now you'll notice that I can only put one in. Look, I can only fit one in. So when I press space, it just says 2 because it's the second today. So I need to be able to join these together, and I'm going to do that with an operator block. And I'm going to use join. Now, join allows me to join 2 things together. So what I could do is join that one and that one, but I can't fit the 3rd one in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab another one. I'll put it in there, and now I've got 3 slots, so I can put them all in together. So now when I put that into my say block and press space, it says, there's a bit of a problem, isn't it? It says 2/6/2020. It's all a jumble of numbers, so we need to separate these out somehow. So we're going to pull that back out. We're going to pull it apart again, because I actually need a space for the day, a slash, a space for the month, a slash, and then a year. So I need to add 2 slashes into this. So I need to have the date, then a slash, then I'm going to get another join. And I'm going to put the month, and I want another slash there, but I need to put another join in. So then I can put another slash and the year. So now it reads the date slash month slash year. And I can slide that into the block, and it'll all go in. And now when I press space, it gives me the date. So that's great. Let's go one step further. Let's make it really useful. So I've gone into the add extension blocks, which are down in the left hand corner. So down into this corner here, and when you click in here, you've got some extra options that you can add in. One of them is text to speech. So I'm going to click on that, and it brings up these text to speech blocks, and I can get speak, and I can drag it on, drop it, and if I duplicate this block and drop it in
February 6th, 2020.
when I press spacebar,
February 6th, 2020.
it tells me the date. You can, of course, change the voice if you want to, so if it's a different voice you want.
February 6, 2020.
You can do that, absolutely fine. You can even change the language. So if we were looking to try a bit of French.
2 juin 2020.
That's what I was thinking. Or even a bit of German.
2. Juni 2020.
Fantastic. So that's up to you. You can experiment with those. But my challenge is, first of all, see if you can make something that tells you the date. But then can you make something that tells you the time as well? So that's my challenge, is use these blocks to get something that tells you the time when you press a button. Okay? Best of luck, guys. I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.